good day? Welcome back to my channel. Another exciting episode, guys. And in this content, we are going to be upgrading 1/64 scale diecast wheels and rims on a Nissan Skyline R32 Pan Am Rocket Bunny. So I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. None other than Carlomo rims, guys. These guys make meticulously crafted rims for your miniature diecast models. And not just that, guys. In my life until today, I've never seen something so well finished yet so miniature. So let's explore this brand. I hope you enjoy the content, guys. Let's get rolling. Okay, guys, so right over here we have the pack, and it's such a miniature crafted pack. I mean, it does have good protection when it comes to, proper casing. And these rims look so identical to the real one. This plastic case is a little scratched off, so let's take it out of the box. There we go. So those are our fine crafted rims, and those right there are the axles. Now, this isn't my first custom. This is my Evo from CM model, and I ended up changing the rims, but these are BNDS, and they didn't come with disc brakes or anything. Just the wheels by itself and the axle, and not the worst when it comes to detailing. But I mean, they don't have anything special for me. Whereas, guys, just a few more dollars, you get this meticulously crafted rims. And not just that, the best part is they come with bearings, guys. So your car is gonna roll forever. We have the INNO64, and I was able to take the chassis off. It comes off just very easily. And then in the rear here, you do have the blocks for the axle rods. So it shouldn't be hard whatsoever. The only thing you wanna make sure is that both the sides, the gap is same, or you're going to be left with wheels that are a little bit off, and it's just not going to look right. So when it comes to axles, we get 6 pieces. 4 of these thin rods will go in the tire itself, and these ones will be having the attachment in the center of the rod here. Alright, so all the rims have the attachments and they're all ready. Here's the main part. You want to make sure that your wheels are turning. First, do not glue it. Just keep the chassis on and try to roll it. And if it rolls, go ahead and glue them. But if it doesn't roll, please wait it out, because you don't want to rush this job. This job is something that requires a lot of patience, accuracy, and precision. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Carlomo on the R32, and it absolutely looks super killer. And here is the best part, guys. Whoa! What do you think about that rolling? These were the R32 rims before. These are the R32 rims now.